Yo, what's up you guys? It's your boy Zay, and we are back with an unboxing from BSTN. So I was actually able to pick up something that released only in the EU so far, and this is set to release in United States, I want to say August 27th. So this is how the box will look. As you can see, you do got that blue animal print, and then white on this side, and then you do have the red, fire red Jumpman. So this is a size 9, and as I said before, I did pick this up from BSTN, so you don't see the label or the price. So this is a size 9, and then it reads Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. The colors are white, fire red, black, and then the numbers on these are CZ6431100. QR tag right there. And before we open these, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button. It does go a long way. And if you didn't see my video yet on the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal, I suggest you go ahead and go see that. It should be under this video, hopefully. But as we open it, you do see the animal print paper. Then you have some white paper underneath. And bow. It does have the Nike Air on the back, and then I don't know if you can see it, but it also has like a clear Jumpman on the back. So I'm just going ahead and give y'all some B-roll, and then we'll come back right behind the camera. So back in front of the camera, reading straight from the sneakers app. These just loaded up. So we have the Air Jordan 3, what they are supposedly calling them the Denim. So it says featuring an OG genuine leather upper. This Air Jordan 3 showcases a raw denim finished elephant print inspired by Japan on the heel, toe, and eye stay. The model features a translucent heel tab with both Nike Air and Jumpman marks. And then it arrives in special denim elephant print here on the heel. So yeah, then I'm going ahead and show you the leather on these joints. On Air Jordan 3s is not that bad. You do have some red leather up here. In the back you have the Nike Air done in fire red. Then you do have the clear Jumpman. Then here you have the denim that they was talking about. Then you also have some more hints of the denim around here. Then going along the midsole, you have white going all the way around. And then you do have the clear air bubble. Going along to the outsole, you do have most of it is white. You do have that Nike done in red. And then you have this pile right here done in black. And then the production dates on these is January 22nd, 2020 to May 6th, 2020. You guys can see. Insoles, you can take it. You can take it. Like Air. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel. We're still on the way to 1,000 subs. Definitely make sure you guys hit the like button, which you guys been doing an amazing job on that. So yeah, it's your boy Zay. I'm out.